Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to DM someone on Mico. So let's get started. Open Mico application, then look along the bottom of the app for Mico tabs. You might notice the message icon. Tap on it. Receive messages will appear in this menu, but if you haven't sent or received messages yet, this screen will likely appear blank. To DM someone, select the user that is available to you, or tap on the search icon right next to the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen and search for the person that you'd like to send a DM. Now just type your message and hit on the send icon. And this is how you can DM someone on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.